I don't know why I wasted so much time without having one of this at home. We just got it with my wife, and I don't know if you can hear me because the bubbles right here are pretty powerful. But we just got it like a week ago, and this has been the best time of our lives out here in the patio. I'm Alex, and today I'm gonna show you this Coleman SaluSpa 222 gallons portable. I mean, not so much about portable, but inflatable outdoor spa and also jacuzzi hot tub. This thing is just amazing. I'm blown away in how good this was. I was not expecting, we were not expecting this one to be this good and so good to have in our patio right here. I'm gonna show some of the specifications and some of the features kind of like in a close-up in a few seconds, but the bottom line is that I think that the best thing about this jacuzzi, this hot tub, is that it comes with an app. So it connects to the Wi-Fi. I'm gonna show the pump right here in a few seconds and how it works, but it comes with an app. So if I want more bubbles, I just hit this button over here, and now this is madness. Look at how many bubbles I have. If I don't want any more bubbles, I just do this. And suddenly, no more bubbles. But I do want bubbles, you know? So I'm gonna just hit this button back again, and bubbles come right up. I can manage the temp right here. I can manage any schedule if I want. So if I'm like working from the office or something like that, and I want this to be hot because this one also comes with hot water. I want this one to be hot. I just do the schedule like, I don't know, like 4 p.m., 5 p.m. So whenever I'm home, this is hot. And you can manage the filter as well. So I'm gonna chill out for like a few more 5-10 minutes, and then I'm gonna explain everything to you and show it to you in a close-up as well. So let's talk about the app for just a little bit. You can see that you can manage the filter. You can turn it on and on. You can manage the AirJet massages as well. That this one actually comes with more than 110 kind of like jets for the bubbles. They're inside of the actual hot tub. Actually, let me actually turn it off, so you can probably hear me better now. Yeah, that's probably better. And also you can change the temp right here. It says that the current temp is 35 degrees and I set it up for 36 degrees. So this is Celsius. Of course, you can change it to Fahrenheit, but this is Celsius right now. And you can actually turn the heat on and off right here. Super easy with this button over here. But also you can manage the schedule. I don't have any schedules right now, but you can manage both the heating schedule and the filter schedule. I'm kind of like learning the whole thing about this one, so it's gonna be a new adventure for me, but having the chance to manage that is really good. And here you're gonna see some of the control panels right here with the pump. Everything is so easy to connect. The one thing that you're gonna do is just like pop out of the box. It comes with an auto inflatable pump, so you're actually gonna put this one to inflate. And by the way, this thing, I was so surprised to see how hard this thing is. This is not just like a regular inflatable toy, like pool toy or something like that. This is extremely hard. I was not expecting this at all. And then you connect those 3 hoses right there at the bottom. You fill it up. It took, I think, like 6 hours to fill this one up to the max, and it comes with the line inside of the actual hot tub to tell you what's the max. And also something super cool, if you don't have your phone, you can actually put this one this way so you can control it from the actual hot tub. So that's actually quite good. And this one is going to be, everything is going to be controlled right here. You're going to plug this to the wall as well with a power cable, and that's pretty much it. You connect it to the Wi-Fi and you have the app or the touch panel right here as well. And right here you can see the size. This is 71 by 71. It's a square shape and it's 28 inches tall. You can see the max right here, the max line for the water. You can put a little bit of more water if you want, but for 2 people, this is gonna be perfectly. It's gonna be super comfortable. For 4 people, you can have 4 people inside here as well. It's gonna be just a little bit tight. I don't agree that this is for 6 people at all. I think it's for max 4 people or 4 adults and 1 kid or 2 kids or something like that. I don't think that this is for 6 adults, so take that in mind before getting one. But I do think that this is amazing for just 2 people, like a couple and a kid or 2 kids. This is super good. And of course, again, 71 by 71 by 28 inches tall. And again, just look at how hard that is. I was so surprised, still surprised about it. But the other best thing about this, that it also comes with the cover. So you're gonna inflate this part right here of the cover. I'm here. You're gonna inflate this part of the cover with the same thing that you're gonna use to inflate this one, and you pop up the cover right here with the hooks on the side, and that's it. You're gonna have everything secure for you to store it like at night. You can leave it in the same place. And it also, let me tell you something so good about this one too. On the same app, you're gonna find an anti-freeze. So whenever it detects that the temp it's dropping, it's gonna activate the heating pump and the movement of the water. So this thing you can actually leave it outside on lower temps as well. So to me, that's actually pretty good on the place that we are living right now. But yeah, I'm here again. I don't think that I'm gonna be ever out of this thing the whole season. I think this thing is amazing. We have a pool, but having this, I think it's just the cherry on top that we needed for our patio. I love it. I think it's a really good thing that you can get for yours and change the whole life that you're gonna have for sure in your patio, because this one actually changed ours. I think it's awesome. I'm gonna give it a huge 100%, 110% recommended and double thumbs up. This thing is amazing. Thanks for watching. See you soon.